Hey y'all, Eli with Off-Road Endeavor, and one of our maintenance items today is the house solar panels. So what I've done is sprayed off the solar panels, trying to get all the dust off to make it as efficient as possible, get as much energy out of the sun. And there is a distinct difference between just spraying the panels and scrubbing them with a brush. So here on the top, I don't know how well you can see, but that is actually scrubbed with a brush. And then down here on the bottom, that's just washed off. So even though you may spray it and it looks clean, you know, once it dries, you still see that dust layer on it. So I have the Tesla panels. I've got an app to be able to show me what my output is. I'm going to look to see what the previous days have been. It's been clear sun, no clouds, 104 degrees for a few days now. So we'll get these washed off and we'll see what kind of increase we get from our panel production. Here you see 4,000 peak kilowatts and 8,000 peak kilowatts after cleaning. We'll give this a week and see what our output is over time.